I don't give a shit. I need your license.
Please don't curse at me.
I need your license, please.
Sounds like a very hard day.
On April 9th, 2024, a traffic stop for a stop sign violation was constitutionally grounded under Delaware v. Prouse, 440 U.S. 648, 1979. The legal basis existed. What followed is not a Fourth Amendment question. It is a professional conduct question.
Pulling in a 580 green lawn. I'll get your tag in a second. Why are you getting out of your car?
You have your sirens on or whatever.
Get back in your car.
Okay, that's fine.
Get back in your car.
Well, you put your
Charlie 53 Central. Can you copy the Illinois tag? Get back in your car.
Okay, sir. I'm sorry.
Charlie X-ray 69956. Right Kia. Start me a second.
Oh, well, what's up? Why did you pull me over?
The stop sign. Where's your license at?
What's up? I stopped at the stop sign.
You stopped past it. Do you have your license?
Stop sign. Yes, sir.
Then let me get your license.
Okay. I didn't do anything. Oh my
Also,
gosh,
your tint.
Please stop. Please stop. I was supposed to go on a date with an officer at 6:30.
I don't give a shit. I need your license.
Please don't curse at me.
I need your license, please.
I'll find it somewhere in here. There's some freaking vinegar and some books and some what? Like, what did I do, sir? A stop sign? Where's the stop sign?
Stop sign's right there.
Where? Can you please get the lights out of my face? Okay?
How we doing, man? Just pulled over or just ran from that fight?
Please really chill out. Like, what's going on?
Where's your...
This is my baby, and I'm just holding on to it because I love life. 10-4. Seriously.
Okay, where's your license at?
I'm trying to find it in my bag right now, but you're shining lights in my face and you're yelling at me.
I'm not shining any lights in your face. I'm asking for your... You got it in your car.
You just cursed at me. You said
I don't care if you're going on a date with the cop. I really don't care.
You just cursed at me.
Okay.
You don't swear at me, officer.
Do you have your license?
No, please, sir.
Back up.
I'm driving. Don't touch me.
Hands behind your back.
No, don't touch me. You just swear at me. Don't touch me.
Hands behind your back.
Don't touch me. Oh my God, stop. I'm horny. Stop. Stop. No,
stop. Hands behind your fucking back.
They are. Stop. I didn't do anything. All you're doing is cursing me. I didn't do anything. Oh, I didn't do anything. Stop. Please stop. Please stop.
Stop fucking kicking me.
I am not cursing at you. Ow. Ow. I am not cursing at you.
Stay on the ground.
All you're doing is swearing at me. And you're cursing at me. For what? What did I do? Stop.
Get up.
You're making me bleed.
Get up.
You're making me bleed. Stop. No. Give me shit. Ow.
Don't move. Do not move.
And I'm fine. Please don't. Please, my left wrist hurts really badly.
Moving.
Please.
Shut up and stop moving.
My left wrist hurts really badly. Please. Oh, see?
Shut up. I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna take this hand out and I swear to God, if you move it, I'm gonna hurt you. You understand? You're gonna go right back on the ground.
I didn't do anything wrong. Oh my God. Can you see the bruise? I just filed a sexual assault report with my deans this morning. Well, yesterday morning. Actually, whatever the fuck time it is. I don't know. If my watch fell off now because Uncle Peter was dropped for no reason. Fucking mustache over there. He was dropped for no reason. And all you guys are fine. But I asked for help, and what'd you give me? Fucking assault. And guess what I had to file this morning? Assault with my two deans. And that's already stressful. And then I had an emergency therapy appointment at 3 p.m. today because I'm already in enough distress. And I'm not doing any drugs. And I'm out of cigarettes. I wish I had a fucking cigarette to smoke right now. But I'm out of cigarettes. You know? I finally go smoke a smoke and do my best. But I can't get out of here. What? Oh, please, you see my scratch? And then I'm sorry, some ratchet ass fucking bitch and his girlfriend.
It's a disgusting abscess.
Literally. Abscess and shit. That's a fucking scar. You even know what I've been through? No. Thank you for your service, but like I've been through some fucking shit too.
You're welcome. What's your name?
Angela, what's your name?
Who?
What's your name? Officer, what's your name?
Deputy Nelson.
Deputy
What's
Nelson.
your name?
That's a good name. Angela.
Angela what?
Angela Patron.
Patron.
Yeah, I have nothing in my car.
Face the car. Don't make me tell you.
No, please, those are my books. Those are my books, please.
Not come off this car again.
Those are my books, though.
Understand.
That's all I live for. I have nothing in there. I don't do anything bad. I'm a full-time student. I go to church every Sunday, and those are my books. That's all I care about is my books. And my music. Oh my gosh. If I can get a pack of cigarettes and go home and play some piano, that'd be so lit. If I could like boom, 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 boom on the piano right now, oh my goodness. My pastor loves me and my therapist loves me. What more is there to say?
What church do you go to?
Thrive. Well, yes, because I'm a caretaker for this 30-year-old. He's wheelchair bound, this cerebral palsy boy. He's 30 years old and he's wheelchair bound. So we go there for the concert. And he loves it. I'm a confirmed Catholic. My glasses are off because he took them off me or whatever. Sorry, I'm not trying to run, obviously. My glasses and my sweater are off. Can you fix my hair a little bit for me so it's not in my face?
It's fine. What are you doing? Stop.
I'm trying to fix my hair. It hurts.
Face the car. Stop moving.
Okay. So we go to this Thrive church. It's really nice. And our pastor loves us.
God. Thank you.
Hi.
And... Okay, listen to her. Do what she says. Don't do anything else.
Hello. Yes, ma'am. Hi.
Sergeant Olson, Smyrna Beach PD. I'm going to search you. Do you have anything on you that can poke me, stick me, hurt me?
No, I'm on a period though.
You what? You're on your period? Great. I love my fucking girl. Are you hiding anything in your bra or anything?
Oh my gosh, I'm not wearing a bra and no.
Okay, can you turn around and face this vehicle for me, please? Spread your feet.
And then slightly at the waist. May I please tell you, I'm in a little bit of stress because I had a 3 p.m. emergency therapist appointment today, and I had to report a sexual assault to my deans today at school, and I really didn't want to, but they like enforced me to, so it's fine. So I'm a little bit distraught right now.
Okay, I can understand. Sounds like a very hard day. I'm going to take your necklace off because we are going to collect everything that you are wearing.
No, why am I going in?
I'm searching you right now, so I'm going to take everything off, and then if you're not going in, but it sounds like you're...
No, I'm fine. I'm literally fine.
You are fine.
You can like literally be a
You ain't gonna go nowhere. Okay, God's still with you, baby.
What's your name, brother?
Dwight. Remember?
Can you stand up?
No, my knees. I can get some help.
No, I'm saying if I help you, you gonna be able to stand up? 1, 2. Come over here, brother. Come over here. Hands inside out. What you doing?
Man, the house here, I'm gonna get this shit all messed up.
Where are you, son, man? I'm gonna just talk to you for that. Yeah, look at me and listen, man. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You just been detained, bro. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before you ask any questions and have a lawyer present during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, want to be appointed for you before any questioning if you wish. To answer questions without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to answer any time. You also have the right to answer any time until you talk to a lawyer. You understand these rights, bro?
I was out there, though.
Huh?
I was out
I'm
there.
just gonna ask you a few questions, bro. How do you know her?
I don't.
So what are you doing in the car then?
I asked you to give me a ride home.
Where's home?
1653 Enterprise Drive.
Okay.
That's right up the road.
What are you doing out here?
I hollered at her.
You hollered at her? So you've never met her before? You just wanted to ride home from some random chick?
I got random chick. I hollered at her. Oh, hey, listen, I'm a man. And she looked like she was having fun. I asked her. I said, what's up? What you doing? She
Are you trying to have some fun with her?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I kind of got the feeling that she wasn't right when she started singing to herself and stuff. So
You think she's just crazy?
no, she's very intelligent, very smart.
Okay.
Smart.
You got anything on you, man?
No, check. That's what I'm saying. So I'm taking
I got you. Why are you wearing them this way, bro?
That's one for my job.
Your job, team?
Yeah.
She wear. Sir. It is now. I'm Deputy Blackwell.
Oh.
You got something in them? Come on, man. I'm letting you go. Yeah, I'm gonna take you out first, bro. Ain't nothing on here.
Why used to be a wrestler? Trying to college how
This one? You trying out here, bro? You say this guy used to be a wrestler? Is yours? You grab your glasses, boss man? Your glasses, man? Right.
Thank you.
Oh, she's not gonna be driving, so.
Wow.
Let me get your name and everything. I'll get you out of here, alright? What's your first name, brother?
Dwight.
Dwight?
You good, bud?
Yeah, I'm good. Spell it D-W-I. What's your middle initial?
K.
Last name?
Wood. W-O-U-L-A-R.
W-O-U?
L-A-R.
What's your date of birth? Alright, you're good, man. So you're not gonna be driving anytime soon? Where's your cigarette at?
Right in the middle.
Go ahead.
Am I moving a cigarette? Oh. And, oh my shoe. Where's my other shoe? Wow.
You good?
Yeah.
What?
Go ahead and sit.
Come up there and have a seat, please.
Oh, I didn't do anything.
Is that you that was fighting over there? Someone was fighting?
Whose house is this?
I was getting ready to.
Man, I know what you was getting ready to do, man. Get your ass back over on Enterprise, man. Shit. You ain't fooling nobody out here, man. Yeah. This poor girl.
Under Deorle v. Rutherford, 272 F.3d, 1272. 9th Seer 2001. Officers who observe crisis indicators bear a heightened duty to de-escalate before force. Crisis indicators were visible within 2 minutes of contact. The rapid escalation to physical arrest reflects failure to honor that duty. I don't give a shit. Before any physical resistance is a professional failure, not a constitutional one. But it set the tone for a stop that escalated faster than the Deorle standard permits. Under Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1989, the physical arrest was constitutionally grounded by the subject's sustained noncompliance. The authority to arrest existed. The manner of its execution, not the decision itself, is the legal question. When the subject reported her wrist hurt badly, twice, the 14th Amendment's Due Process Clause required access to medical care. Shut up and stop moving in response to a specific injury complaint dismisses that constitutional obligation. If you move it, I'm gonna hurt you. Stated to a handcuffed person reporting injury. Is a conditional threat of physical harm. It is not communicating pain management. Courts have found that gratuitous threats to restrained person are constitutionally and professionally indefensible. The second officer's arrival demonstrates the correct approach was available from the start. She acknowledged the subject's distress. Sounds like a very hard day. Conducted a proper search and treated the subject with dignity. That is the Deorle standard applied correctly. Under United States v. Robinson, 414 U.S. 218, 1973, the search incident to arrest was constitutionally authorized. The second officer's execution, pre-search safety questions, formal identification, and dignified manner reflects best practice beyond Robinson's minimum requirements. The male passenger received Miranda before questioning. Under Berkemer v. McCarty, 468 U.S. 420, 1984, whether his detention rose to custody, requiring Miranda or was a Terry stop is legally significant. His release without charges suggests no independent probable cause. The first officer receives a C+. The stop was valid and the arrest was grounded, but pre-resistance profanity, a dismissed injury complaint, and a conditional threat to a restrained person err individually and cumulatively below the constitutional and professional standard. The second officer receives an A-, empathetic, compliant, and a model of Deorle consistent conduct. The subject receives a C. Physical resistance was legally indefensible, but documented psychological distress from earlier that day's context courts weigh at sentencing. 3 takeaways. First, Deorle's heightened duty is triggered by observable distress, not diagnosis. When a subject is visibly in crisis, de-escalation before force is immediate. Escalating language in the presence of crisis indicators fails both the Deorle obligation and Graham's proportionality standard. Second, if you move it, I'm gonna hurt you to a handcuffed, injured personas, a conditional threat, not pain management. It subjects a restrained person to the threat of additional harm. That conduct fails the constitutional and professional standard at every level. Third, the second officer's arrival proves empathy and professional control error, the same thing applied correctly. The Deorle standard does not require choosing between safety and compassion. It requires both. And Sergeant Smith demonstrated that simultaneously. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.